Hello students, we are doing chapter number 1, rational and irrational numbers, exercise 1.5. In previous video we have done till question number 3 and now we are starting from question number 4. Simplify 1 by root 4 plus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6 plus 1 by root 6 plus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 8 and plus 1 by root 8 plus root 9. So total we have 5 terms here. All these 5 terms, first we have to rationalize the denominator and then later on we will add. So first we have 1 by root 4 plus root 5. To rationalize it, we need to multiply with root 4 minus root 5 up and down. After multiplication, it will become root 4 minus root 5 and denominator will become a square minus b square. So root 4 square minus root 5 square, root 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1, or this we can write as minus root 4 plus root 5. Minus symbol we can shift it up and then it will become minus root 4 plus root 5. Similarly, remaining also we have to rationalize, so we can write this second one, 1 by root 5 plus root 6. After simplification, here it was 1 by root 4 plus root 5. See, we got minus root 4 plus root 5. So here we will get minus root 5 plus root 6. And this third one, 1 by root 6 plus root 7. We will get minus root 6 plus root 7. And this fourth one, root 7 plus root 8. After rationalizing, we will get minus root 7 plus root 8. And then last one, 1 by root 8 plus root 9. We will get minus root 8 plus root 9. Now all these we can compile together. We will get first is minus root 4 plus root 5. Second one we have minus root 5 plus root 6. Then we have minus root 6 plus root 7. Minus root 7 plus root 8 and minus root 8 plus root of 9. So these things will cancel out. One is plus, another is minus. And root 4 we can write as 2. This plus root 9 we can write as 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Next question number 5. Given a and b are rational numbers, find a and b if 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to minus 19 by 11 plus a root 5. So we will take here left side. First we will rationalize this one and then we will do comparison with right side. So we have 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 root 5. We will multiply up and down with 3 minus 2 root 5. Then numerator, these two we have to multiply with first term. We will multiply this second bracket 3 minus 2 root 5. Then with this second number with root 5 we will multiply this second one. And denominator we can use formula a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Here 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6 root 5 and this will become minus 3 root 5 and minus will become plus 2 into root 5 into root 5 will become 5 and 5 into 2 10 divided by 9 minus 2 square is 4 and root 5 square is 5. 4 into 5 20. 9 plus 10 will become 19 minus 9 root 5 divided by minus 11. Now we can split it and we can write it as minus 19 by 11, then minus will become plus 9 by 11 root 5. This is our left side. This we have to compare with right side. So if we do the comparison with this right side, minus 19 by 11 plus a root 5. So after comparison you can see a value is 9 by 11. So therefore a is equal to 9 by 11. Second part, root 2 plus root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equal to a minus b root 6. So first left side we will take and we will rationalize the denominator. Denominator we have 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So we will multiply with 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 up and down. Now numerator, first with this root 2 we will multiply this second one, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and then with this plus root 3 we will multiply this whole term. Denominator, again we can use a plus b into a minus b formula, which is equal to a square minus b square. Root 2 into root 2 will become 2 and 2 into 3 6. Then here it will become 2. Root 2 into root 3 will become root 6. Similarly here root 3 into root 2 will become root 6. So we will get 3 root 6. And here root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 3 into 2 we will get 6 here. Denominator, 3 square 9 into 2 18 minus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12. 6 plus 6 will become 12 and 2 plus 3 will become 5 root 6, and 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. Now we can split it, we can write it 12 by 6 plus 5 by 6 root 6. We can cancel out 6 2s and we will get here 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6. Now we have to compare with right side, a minus b root 6. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to, you can see symbol difference is there, here minus is there. So if we keep here minus, then it will become minus 5 by 6. So b value is minus 5 by 6. Next third part, 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5 minus 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5, which is equal to a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. So both the terms, these two terms, first we have to rationalize and then we will do the comparison with right side. So first 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5. To rationalize it we have to multiply with 7 plus root 5 up and down. So numerator we will get 7 plus root 5 whole square, and denominator we will get 7 square minus root 5 square. Numerator we will get 7 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into 7 into root 5 divided by 49 minus 5. So 49 plus 5 plus 14 root 5 divided by 44. 49 plus 5 we will get 54 plus 14 root 5 divided by 44. So we'll leave here. Now the next term, 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5 we will rationalize. For this we have to multiply with 7 minus root 5 up and down. So numerator we will get 7 minus root 5 whole square, and denominator 7 square minus root 5 whole square. Numerator if we expand we will get 7 square plus root 5 whole square minus 2 into 7 into root 5 divided by 49 minus 5. So 49 plus 5 minus 14 root 5 divided by 44, or 54 minus 14 root 5 by 44. Now we can substitute these values here left side. Therefore left side is equal to 54 plus 14 root 5 divided by 44 minus 54 minus 14 root 5 divided by 44. So both denominator is same, we can simplify it. We can write 54 plus 14 root 5 minus 54, this minus minus will become plus 14 root 5 divided by 44. So 54 will cancel out and we will get 14 plus 14, 28 root 5 divided by 44. Now this 28 by 44, we will split it out. We can write it as 4 into 7 by 11 into 4 by 4 root 5. Now we can compare with the right side. Right side is a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. This we can cancel out also. We'll get 1 here. Now after comparison, you can see here a part is not there. It means a value is 0. 54 has cancelled out here, and b after comparison we are getting 1. Next question number 6. If 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5 is equal to p plus q root 5, then find the value of p and q, and here p and q are rational number. So two terms are there. Both first we have to rationalize the denominator and then we will compare with right side. So first we have 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5. So rationalizing factor will be 3 minus root 5. From 3 minus root 5 we will multiply up and down. So numerator will become 7 into 3 minus root 5, then plus 3 root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Then denominator a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here 7 into 3, 21 minus 7 root 5, then plus 9 root 5 and minus 15. 3 into 5, root 5 into root 5 will become 5, and 5 into 3, 15. Denominator 3 square 9 minus 5. So we will get here 21 minus 15, 6, minus 7 plus 9 means plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Similarly, second one also we will rationalize. 7 minus 3 root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. So we will multiply with 3 plus root 5 up and down. Numerator after multiplication we will get 7 into 3, 21, then plus 7 root 5, then minus 9 root 5 and minus 15 divided by 9 minus 5. So 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4 we will get here. So left side will be 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4, which we can write 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. We can compile together because here minus is there, so this minus minus will become plus. So 6 we can cancel out. Here we will get 2 plus 2, 4 root 5 by 4, and this 4 also we can cancel out. Now this we have to compare with right hand side. Right hand side is p plus q root 5. So p is not there here. It means the value of p is equal to 0. Therefore p is 0 and q value is, what is the coefficient of root 5 here? 1. So q value is equal to 1. Next question number 7. Rationalize the denominator and hence evaluate the value by taking root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732 up to 3 decimal place. First part is given root 2 by 2 plus root 2. So first this denominator we will rationalize. We will multiply this with 2 minus root 2 up and down. So numerator will become root 2 into 2 minus root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus will become a square minus b square. This we can multiply, we will get 2 root 2 minus root 2 into root 2 will become 2 and divided by 4 minus 2. So we will get here 2 root 2 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, which from here we can take 2 as common, then root 2 minus 1 we will get by 2. This 2 we can cancel out. After this we have to substitute now root 2 value. Root 2 value is 1.414 minus 1, and after subtraction we will get 0.414. Second part, 1 by root 3 plus root 2. So first we will rationalize the denominator. For that we will multiply with root 3 minus root 2 up and down. So numerator we will get root 3 minus root 2 and denominator a plus b into a minus b. Formula we will apply, a square minus b square. So root 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 minus 2, which we will get equal to 1. So finally we are getting root 3 minus root 2. Now we can substitute the value of root 3 and root 2. Root 3 value was 1.732 and root 2 value was 1.414. After subtraction we will get 3.318. Next, question number 8. If a is equal to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a minus 1 by a. So a value is 2 plus root 3. 1 by a will be 1 by 2 plus root 3. So first this we will rationalize. We can multiply this with 2 minus root 3 up and down. So numerator will become 2 minus root 3 and denominator 2 square minus root 3 square. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So finally we will get 2 minus root 3. So value of 1 by a is 2 minus root 3. Now this value we can substitute. We have to find out the value of a minus 1 by a. A was 2 plus root 3, then minus 1 by a value we got 2 minus root 3. Remove this bracket. 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Minus and minus will become plus. So 2 to 2 we can cancel out. 2 minus 2 it will become 0, and root 3 plus root 3 will become 2 root 3. In this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.